Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss a critical topic: how to stay safe online. With the increasing prevalence of cyber threats and data breaches, it's essential to protect your digital identity. So, let's dive right in. The first step in online safety is creating strong and unique passwords. Avoid using easily guessable passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or password. Instead, use a combination of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. And remember, don't reuse passwords across multiple accounts. In case you have trouble remembering them all, consider using a reputable password manager. Next, let's talk about encryption. Whenever you transmit sensitive information online, such as banking details or personal data, make sure you're using secure websites with HTTPS in the URL. The S stands for secure, indicating that the connection between your device and the website are encrypted, protecting your data from potential eavesdropping. Privacy settings are another vital aspect of staying safe online. Review the privacy settings on your social media accounts, web browsers, and other online platforms. Limit the information you share publicly, and only allow trusted connections to access your personal details. Regularly audit your privacy settings to ensure they align with your desired level of privacy. Public Wi-Fi networks. They're convenient, but they can also pose significant risks. Avoid accessing sensitive information, such as online banking or email, when connected to public Wi-Fi. These networks are often unsecured, making it easier for hackers to intercept your data. If you must use public Wi-Fi, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, to encrypt your connection and protect your online activities. Email scams, also known as phishing attacks, are prevalent and can trick even the most cautious individuals. Be skeptical of unsolicited emails, especially those asking for personal or financial information. Check for red flags like spelling errors, generic greetings, and suspicious links. Remember, legitimate companies will never ask for sensitive information via email. When in doubt, contact the company directly through their official channels to verify the request. Now, let's discuss mobile app safety. Stick to downloading apps from official app stores, such as the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. These platforms have security measures in place to minimize the risk of downloading malicious apps. Read app reviews and check the permissions requested by the app before installation. Only grant necessary permissions, and be cautious of apps that ask for excessive access to your personal data. Backing up your data is crucial in case of data loss or device theft. Regularly back up your important files and documents to an external hard drive or a cloud storage service. This way, even if your device gets compromised, you can still retrieve your valuable information. Last but not least, keep your software up to date. Operating system updates and security patches often contain fixes for known vulnerabilities. Set your devices to automatically install updates, or regularly check for updates manually. And there you have it, our guide on how to stay safe online. By following these tips and being vigilant, you can protect your digital identity and reduce the risk of falling victim to cyber threats. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share it with your friends. Stay safe out there, and until next time, take care.